So friends, today we are diving into the world of gypsum false ceiling designs, a stylish and practical solution to evaluate your home. Whether you're looking to enhance aesthetics, improve, or hide unsightly wires, gypsum false ceiling are the perfect choice. So in this video, I'll going to tell you that how much it will cost to make the gypsum false ceiling designs and what are the points to remember and their benefits and design ideas. But friend, if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to our channel. So let's begin the topic. A gypsum false ceiling, also known as the suspended or drop ceiling, it is made from gypsum boards and it also offers some several advantages for residential and you can use in the commercial spaces also. Gypsum false ceiling enhance interior aesthetics with their smooth, seamless finish. They can be customized with various designs, patterns, and lighting options such as recessed lights or LED strips to create a modern and elegant look. Gypsum boards have a low thermal conductivity helping to regulate indoor temperature. This can be keep spaces cooler in summer and warmer in winter, potentially reducing the energy cost for heating and cooling. So friends, now you're going to know that how much it will cost to make the gypsum false ceiling designs. Actually, it totally depends upon the designs of complexity. The price starts from 90 rupees per square feet to 150 rupees per square feet. But it totally depends upon the designs which I told you. Most of the price totally depends upon the location also. So, but in our location, the price for beautiful designs it starts from 120 rupees per square feet, and it everything is included in this price like materials plus labor charges. So suppose if your wall size is 10 by 10, then total area will be 100 square feet, and for installing this gypsum false ceiling designs, almost it will cost you almost 12,000 rupees. So this is the way you can calculate your false ceiling designs price. So friends, if you have any doubts related to the price or any designs, you can ask me in the comment section. Gypsum false ceiling provides you accounts benefit by reducing the echo and noise transmissions between room or floors. They also hide the electrical wiring, ductwork, and plumbing, creating a clean and clutter-free appearance. Gypsum is naturally fire resistant due to its non-combustible core, which options chemically bound water and the slow loss. Installing a gypsum false ceiling requires a careful planning and execution, like ensure the primary ceiling is structurally strong, free from leaks, cracks, or dampness, as they can damage these gypsum boards. Another point to remember is the plan the design, including dimensions, shape, and lighting integration. So mark the ceiling level accurately, ensuring a minimum clearance of 9 to 12 inches from the main ceiling for lighting or fixtures. Another point is the material quality. Use high quality gypsum boards, preferably moisture resistant or fire resistant for specific areas like kitchens. Check for reputable brands and ensure material like frames, screws, and jointing compounds are compatible. Another point to remember is the framework. So install a sturdy metal framework to support the gypsum boards. Ensure proper alignment and secure fixing to avoid the sagging, and plan for electrical wiring, lighting, and havoc bands before installations. And always hire the experienced professional labor for precise cutting, fitting, and finishing to avoid the cracks or uneven surface. And pre-plan recessed lightings or decorative elements. Ensure cutouts for lights or fans are accurately measured and alignment. And after installation, apply jointing tape and compound for seamless joints. Sand the surface for smoothness before painting or applying the finishes. And another most important point is that budget and timeline. Confirm the cost of material, labor, and additional features like insulation or soundproofing. Set a realistic timeline to avoid rush work. So these are the some points to remember before installing the gypsum false ceiling designs. So friends, if you like my videos, then please subscribe to our channel, like and share this video. Thank you for watching.